And to give you some ideas of what your Google Classroom might look like, here we have one from my English 12 class. You'll see that we have the final draft cover page, we're excited page, which is actually not due till tomorrow. I didn't change the date on that. The third draft right there. Here's an assignment, the second draft research paper. Here, under an announcement, I put a sample citations thing in there for them so that so many of them were having a hard time with their citations, their in-text citations, that I thought, you know what, let me upload a file right here and put it under announcements so people can do this. Now here's where they turned in their outlines. And then here's a note from a student. He said he changed his group's point of view assignment. They did a point of view research assignment. And they have their comments on here. And then again, a little note from me, I'll double check your grade, make sure your point of view has been added and things like that. And there's the point of view project Word file. So we have all of these things. And you notice this is a point of view project Word file. At this point in January, we weren't all on board with Google Docs. It was too messy. So what I did is I made it a Word file and let them submit. They are able to submit Word file as well as Google Docs. When they go to add things, they can add things. And oh, here's me clicking things in there. This one was done in Microsoft Word. You can tell by the way it looks, one that is done and by the W right here. If we have another one that was done in Docs, no, it looks like almost all of them were in Word at this point. So we have these things that can be submitted whenever they go to add it. I'll show you an example of how this is done in something that is other than my classroom. This is a classroom where I went to as a student at a training. And so here's an assignment. And you'll look here that I add things from my Google Drive, or I can just upload a file from my computer. So if they don't have the Google Drive access for some reason yet, no, or you're not ready for that. You're like, you know what? I'm not ready for all of this. I'm ready to start just Google Classroom, not Google Docs. That is absolutely fine. You would just have them upload whatever file they have from their computer, and they can turn that in as well. So if you're not ready to deal with Google Docs or Google Slides or the other things, but you want to have a central classroom, you can still do that. Okay? Thank you so much.